Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you some stunning coat sets which are perfect for everyday wear and festive moments. If you are someone who loves ethnic wear that feels as comfortable as it looks stylish, then this video is for you. And the best part, सारे ही outfits premium quality fabric में है, तो आपको comfort, value, style एक साथ मिल रहा है. So without wasting time, let's get started.
I let the wrong ones write on my heart like pages held back, hoping I could love them in the changes, but losing myself was.
Starting with something super soft and feminine, beautiful soft print cotton tunic है with light printed trousers. ऐसी आउटफिट से इंस्टेंटली ग्रेसफुल लुक आता है. मैंड्रिन कॉलर नेकलाइन है. अगर आपको डीप नेकलाइन नहीं पसंद है और कुछ स्टाइलिश चाहिए तो ये परफेक्ट है. ट्यूनिक ए लाइन है, फ्लोई है, फ्लैटरिंग फॉर ऑल बॉडी टाइप्स, फैब्रिक क्वालिटी प्रीमियम कॉटन है, सो इट्स ब्रीदेबल एंड लाइट वेट. फारसी सलवार स्टाइल में ट्राउजर्स हैं with subtle traditional prints and they come with elasticated waistband. For styling, I have paired it with these drop earrings from Zaveri Pearls and this bag and these heels. This coat is perfect for day outings and brunches. Moving on to something a little more statement-like. Printed kurti है with boat neckline and trousers है in the same color. This one leans slightly towards a festive vibe. Boat neckline है very graceful without being too revealing. Neckline और borders पे beautiful prints है जिससे heavy jewelry की need नहीं है. Flare sleeves हैं, straight shape है with side slit. Trousers slightly flared हैं, hem detailing है, side slits हैं जिससे बहुत ही tailored look आ रहा है. For styling, I have paired it with this bag and these heels. This coat is perfect for semi-formal events and gatherings. This outfit gives that calm and confident energy. Now this one is for all of you who like minimalism. Solid teal coat set है, very clean and modern. Shirt style collar है with pleated detailing. 3/4 flare sleeves हैं. The trousers are straight and flowy and they come with elasticated waistband. Outfit का monochrome look आपको taller और put together दिखाता है. For styling, I have paired it with this pearl mala, these black stilettos and this bag from Pinterest. This coat set is perfect for office wear and travel days. This outfit screams elegance and confidence. Now something fun and vibrant. This outfit is perfect if you love experimenting and standing out. V neckline है, abstract and multicolored print है which is making it very eye-catching. Slightly oversized fit है which is super trendy right now. Balloon style sleeves है. Wide leg neutral plazos हैं जिससे टॉप की boldness बैलेंस हो रही है. The plazos have partially elasticated waistband. For styling, I have paired it with this bag and these heels. This coat set is perfect for vacations and casual parties. This outfit is all about fun and confidence. Now moving on to the last one. I just love this coat set from head to toe. First of all, the color deep rich brown tone है. Usual blacks and pastel से इतना refreshing change है. Simple slit V neckline है with placket detail. Full flare sleeves है. Tunic loose और straight fit है. Plazos entire look को balance कर रहे हैं. फारसी सलवार style plazos हैं with floral print on a lighter base. For styling, I have paired it with these sunnies from H&M. This bag from Mini West and these heels. This is one of those outfits that works for so many situations. Like this outfit is perfect for office wear, lunches, brunches, travel, shopping days, you name it. Before we wrap up, here are 2 detailed tips for coat sets like these. First is never let everything compete for attention at once, which means अगर आपके आउटफिट में heavy prints और bright colors हैं तो आप rest of the look को subtle रखिए. जैसे आज के आउटफिट्स में टॉप्स काफी loud और bright थे तो बॉटम सारे subtle थे. The second is same color का टॉप और बॉटम पहनना is the easiest way to look elegant बिना effort के. So this was all about today's video. Subscribe if you want to see more such hauls. See you in the next video. Till then, stay stylish with that exclusive bar.